Welcome, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Let's talk about RIOT, Mara stock, Riot stock, BTBT, BitF, Cypher, CLSK, all these Bitcoin miners. As you can see, I even have a position here on Riot. I am up and what, 7%? Actually, I'm up 7% on the day because of the gap up. But the point is, I'm here. I got my position. I alerted this in the premium Discord in the morning. I told everyone get in right here, right now in pre-market, and let's swing this for 6 to 8 months. Let's shoot for $15 for that 50% plus gains. We got a game plan. Now we just sit on it. That's it. There's nothing else. No reason to go crazy. Start accumulating down here while it's cheap. Rare that it goes under $10, especially since it's been since way back here, since way back in early 2023, this thing has not gone under 10. So the one time it does, obviously, we want to accumulate for the next cycle $15 to $18. And that is what I'm watching here for Riot. That's on you to execute. That's on you. I know some of you have told me that you've made money on my Bitcoin mining plays. Mara, of course, did bottom out here and get a nice bounce. We'll see if this continues. Same, it doesn't even matter what Bitcoin miner you buy, be it BTBT, BitF, it's all the same thing. All the same thing. You just want to accumulate for the next run. I'm personally focused on Riot. Mara is the more volatile one. If that's the one you want to play, go for it. But I mean, essentially, the strategy is the same, right? If we switch to the weekly, you'll notice the trading range is very, very clear here. Look at that huge candle. People really did buy the dip here on the weekly. So you'll notice it's a trading range. I mean, where else am I going to buy? I'm not going to buy up here. That doesn't make sense. But I'm definitely not going to buy anywhere in the dead zone here in the middle. So when's the best time to buy? Just on the charts alone, under $10. I've been accumulating under there, and if you're in the premium Discord, you've gotten the alerts of all my ads. I'm just slowly accumulating shares for that run to $15. Mara, we would expect a run to 25 plus for them, and BitF we would expect 250 plus, and so on and so forth. That's how it is, right? That's These things are volatile. They come down just as quickly as they go up, and when they run, they run, and when they fall, they fall. Best time to buy is when they get cheap. That is my opinion. If you like buying cheap, don't forget to like and subscribe because that's what we're all about here on this channel. We're about being patient, letting things come down nice and cheap. CLSK, why would we buy it up here at 22, 21 when we could wait for it to come down? And this one's been creating higher highs and higher lows over the long term. So look at that. That's quite a trend. That's quite a trend, my friend. Look at that. Ooh. So if this continues to follow its trend, I mean, we will see this back at 2022. And like I said, it once you start getting miners into the 20s range, they become so volatile they can move up dollars, especially if you look at Mara. So I know some of you like CSK over Mara, some of you like Mara over everything else. It doesn't matter. They all tend to move with one another. So ultimately, just buy whatever floats your boat at that point. Personally, I'm just going to go with Riot because it's nice and cheap, under 10. And I mean, you can go even cheaper. You can go with BTBT or BitF or Hive. I think Hive is another one. Yeah. But BTBT and BitF, those are the cheapest ones, I think. You can go cheaper penny stocks, but I'm not touching penny stocks. I'm not going that low. I'm not touching no double zeros. No, thank you. Sure, the potential for 50, 100% gains in one day is there, but I'm just going to stick to good old Riot, Mara, BTBT, CLSK, all the good ones here that have shown that they can give us some nice returns as long as we are patient and wait for the bottom. That is it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next